My experience with the Pro Mist has been incredible, honestly. I feel like I'm able to push the boundaries a little bit further than I would have before with confidence. The K18 PRO Mist reverses existing chemical damage and prevents new damage during the service for long-lasting results in just 4 minutes. I always use the Pro Mist behind the chair because it gives me the safety that I need and the relief knowing that I can enter the chemical service and not worry about what's gonna happen during the service. I know I'm going to have strong, healthy, gorgeous hair. The K18 Pro Mist fortifies hair before the service, restoring up to 99% of elasticity. It also improves hair's resilience to prevent damage during and after the service for stronger hair over time. And color lasts longer and fades slower when paired with mask usage at home. It's so important to use both the mist and mask together during your service for optimal results. The mist swells the cuticle open with the higher pH for amazing color results, while the mask helps to lower the pH. It has emollients in it to smooth and condition the hair. You wanna make sure to use the mist pre-lightening or color services and use the mask post-service to get those conditioning benefits. I always use the mist and mask together during my services to reverse damage and transform my results.